In this video, we're going to guide you through the essential strategies to help you travel the world with just a carry-on bag, leaving behind the stress of heavy luggage. Traveling light is an art, and it begins with mastering the packing list. Start by creating a comprehensive packing list that includes everything you think you need for your trip. Then ruthlessly edit down that list. Think about the versatile wardrobe you can assemble, a color scheme that allows you to mix and match outfits, basics that can be dressed up or down, and layering options for different weather conditions. When it comes to packing techniques, rolling your clothes is the key. This not only saves space, but also minimizes wrinkles. Investing in packing cubes can be a game changer. They really keep everything organized and easily accessible, even in a small bag. As far as toiletries, think minimalist. Most destinations have stores where you can buy essentials, so you don't even need to pack full-size bottles. Make sure your liquids comply with the 3-ounce rule for airport security. Consider gear that serves multiple functions. A sarong, for example, can be a shawl, a towel, or even a makeshift beach blanket. Versatile accessories like scarves can add style to your outfits, offer warmth on chilly flights, or provide sun protection. Planning to do some laundry during your trip can significantly reduce the amount you need to pack. Many accommodations provide laundry facilities, or you can even find local laundromats. In this case, opt for clothes that dry quickly, making on-the-go laundering a breeze. In conclusion, packing light for international travel is an art that's worth mastering. By creating a smart packing list, using efficient packing techniques, minimizing your toiletries, and focusing on versatile gear, you'll experience the freedom and convenience of traveling with just a carry-on. And remember, Embarcks is here to help you find the best flight deals to your international destinations. Sign up and unlock the world like never before. Feel free to share some of your packing tips and travel stories with us in the comments below. Thank you for joining us on this video, and if you haven't yet, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.